Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Today I will show you how to cook ramen noodle from package. And I know they have an instruction, but I thought maybe this is a good idea. If I show you on YouTube video, it's easier for you guys. So I will make how to cook ramen noodle from package today. The reason I am doing this because when my friend and I went to grocery shopping, Asian grocery shopping, we both bought the same ramen noodle. It was not frozen like this, but the package doesn't have an instruction how to cook it. So when we came back from shopping, he called me and asked me how to cook. Then I told him how to do, but it's easier if you can see the video. So I decided to make a video out of this. And also, he told me he has an idea that he's gonna bring this ramen noodles to his workplace and make over there at their kitchen. Then I said, do you have burner? He said no. Then I said, how are you gonna make it? He said microwave. Then I said, no, don't do that. You can't make a good ramen noodle by microwave. And he may think that it's possible because they have a dried ramen noodles package, but this is different. So I want to show you how to do it so you can eat good tasty ramen noodle from the package. So this is called tanmen, and this is a package, and they have 3 in it. And Japanese style noodles, Shio flavor. Shio is salt, so that's why the picture broth is clear here. And again, they have 3 noodles and soups. And I read the ingredients, bunch of chemicals, and they said noodle has eggs, and also soup has chicken, so this is not vegan. And picture has pork in it, but you can basically put anything. Lots of veggies and lots of seafood or the pork. Many people never seen this ingredients before. It's called Kikurage and dried mushroom. And you don't need to put this one, but I have it, so I'll show you how to cook it, this one also. Those are the ingredients that I'm gonna use this time. And they have 8 different vegetables here. And I recommend you to use cabbage or Chinese cabbage. That would be good. But basically you can put any kind of veggies. And also this is usually in Japan very thin sliced pork in it, but instead you can put seafood like shrimps or the squid. That's usually also added. So it's really depend. And bean sprouts is also good, but I didn't choose this time. So anything that you like to put it, anything to go. Same as other dried ingredients, I put Kikurage in the water for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I will cut same size as other vegetables. This is first ingredients, and I cut this way. Shiitake mushrooms. And this is carrot. By the way, I am making just only 1 person ingredients. So you adjust your veggies and you can put anything. This is cabbage, and I want to cut like this size, 1 bite size. And I use 3 leaves of cabbage for this ingredients, just for 1 person. And zucchinis, same way as carrots, same size. Lastly, quarter amount of onion. I put 1 tablespoon of veggie oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Heat it up. If you want to put the meat, this is a time you're going to put meat and cook a little bit, then put vegetable. I don't have meat today, so I just start vegetable. And cabbage, I start cabbage because my cabbage has a little bit harder part, so I want to cook first this one. Then I put other veggies. Then now I put salt and pepper here. I like little crunchy veggies, so I don't cook too long, stir fry, but I will add water here. This time I put 1.5 cup. That's what exactly package said. Don't put too much water because the soup will be weak and it won't be good taste. And also vegetable will be cooked in the water, the boiled water, so I don't need to cook stir fry for a long time. Now water is boiling, so this is a time to add packaged soup. And cook for a while. And this is the tip. Now it's boiling water, so I'm gonna put the noodles in the boiling water. And immediately when you drop the noodle, you stir and loosen the noodles. Otherwise, the noodles stick together. So make sure that you will do this right away. And cooking ramen noodle al dente is very important. In Japan, this is really important for the texture of the ramen noodles. We don't like soggy, very soft ramen noodles. That's ruined the whole taste. So make sure it's not cooked too long. And I timed out this time. I used a timer and it was exactly 2 minutes I cooked. Package might have the suggestion, the time of the cooking of the ramen noodles, but probably any manufacturer or the company, it's the same thing. About 2 minutes or a little bit less is the best. Put soup in the donburi first, a little bit. Now it's ramen noodles. Take the water out and put it in the soup quickly. Now add rest of the veggie and soup on top of the noodles.
So this is how to make ramen noodles, and this is instant, but it's different than dried instant ramen noodles. So I hope you don't think that you're gonna use microwave to cook this kind of ramen noodles. This is most similar that you can go to ramen noodle restaurant in Japan, and Japanese people are very specific for the noodle texture. Should be al dente. So if you can make al dente very good ramen noodle, just like from restaurant, you have to prep and make soup or the veggie part first. Then you cook ramen noodles, and quickly you can add those two things together and eat very quickly. This is a tip. So if you like my channel, please subscribe so I can make it more. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.